like we got it all put back together. Motors together. We'll go ahead and crank on it. First start. See what happens. Maybe I need to check on some things. Alright guys, got the thing running, so we should do a quick crank, let it run for a second, show you guys what it looks like. Problem right now is I don't have any transmission fluid in it, and don't have the valve body in it yet. I'm still sorting that out. Still need to buy the lead frame and get that swapped around and see what happens, but it's working though. Sounds pretty good on the crank up. So real quick, we'll look underneath. Put the car on the ground. Ground clearance is kind of low. I think I measured it out. It's right at 4 inches to the lowest point of the pan, which is a little bit lower than the cross member, but that's where I'm at there. So yeah, so next is I just need to get the lead frame ordered up, test out the range sensor, understand how that works, mod the ECU hardware, and then my custom code, and then get a drive shaft made. So slowly getting there. We'll see what happens.